Hello people, I wanted to publish an organ video tutorial. For example, when you try to model object like cat, but you zoom in, you see this. You can fix quickly that when you go to perspective, you can turn viewport clipping, and you see that it's very visible. I will show you. That slider, when you drag my mouse button to bottom, so you can zoom in to the maximum to the edges. So you will be able to zoom in to the end of the object. Viewport clipping is useful when you want to see through object, but it's not necessary important because you can turn this on. I hope you like my video tutorial.